The 2019 deadly shooting of Dana Fletcher by Madison police prompted protests, a Madison County District Attorney's Office review, and a federal wrongful death lawsuit.
The district attorney's office found the shooting was justified, that Fletcher had pointed a gun at police during a struggle. And on February 17th, a U.S. district judge dismissed that lawsuit brought by Fletcher's widow. News 19 chief investigative reporter Brian Lawson joins us now in the studio with more. So Brian, why did the court choose to dismiss this lawsuit?
The court had problems with the way that it was written. In his order, U.S. District Judge Wallace Burke said the original lawsuit and the second amended lawsuit both failed to state the claims, quote, succinctly and discreetly. Basically, the court said that it constituted a shotgun pleading, that the plaintiffs failed to connect their factual allegations to the claims against the city of Madison, the mayor and city police, and council members. The judge said Fletcher's attorneys failed to separate their claims into different counts, and they lacked short, plain statements showing they were entitled to relief. Now, the fatal encounter outside the Planet Fitness on Highway 72 in Madison started with a call to police about alleged odd behavior by Fletcher. He was sitting in a van with his daughter and wife when police arrived. He refused to leave the van, pointing out he hadn't done anything wrong. The lawsuit claims multiple officers arrived, including one with a police dog. The dog bit Fletcher while he was in the van, while another broke a window, took his wife and child out of the van. The lawsuit said Fletcher did not have a gun and he was tased before he was shot. The Madison PD and the DA's office said he had a gun. The DA's office said Fletcher was shot while pointing the gun at an officer. Now, the federal court dismissed those claims, as we said, February 17th. There are some state court claims that remain and can be refiled in state court. And the court said a third complaint at this point, given the problems with the prior two complaints, would be futile. Now, the judge said he'd received a letter from Dana Fletcher's widow indicating she wanted to discontinue the lawsuit, but the court said it was unclear if the family's attorney was aware of that letter, and the dismissal order, the court said, was issued without the judge considering the letter.